In this video, I am going to show you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. During your Teams meeting, navigate to the top of the meeting screen. Look for the More Actions button, which is typically represented by ellipses, 3 dots, or a similar icon. Click on More Actions to open the Additional Options menu. From the menu, select Video Effect on an option that leads to Background Settings, and this will open the Background Effects panel. To simply blur your current background, select the Blur option. This keeps you in focus while obscuring the details of your surroundings. If you prefer to replace your background, you can choose from the preloaded images provided by Teams. Simply click on an image to select it. To use a custom image, select Add New, then navigate through your computer files and select a JPG or an image file. Before you finalize your choice, you can select Preview to see a live preview of how the background will work. This is a useful step to ensure the background looks as you expect with your current lighting and positioning. Once satisfied with your selection, click on Apply to set the chosen background for your ongoing meeting. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.